gone. But I never will forget the sweet maiden I met in the valley near Slievenamon. In the festive hall by the star-walled shore, oh, ever my restless spirit flies. My love, oh my love, will I ne'er see you more, and my land will you never abide. By night and by day, I ever pray, while lonely my life flows on, to see our flag unfurled and my true love to enfold in the valley near Slievenamon. In the valley near Slievenamon. Oh, I am a merry loud boy, and I plough the fields all day, till the sudden thought into my mind that I should roam away. For I'm tired of this idyllic life since the day that I was born, and I want to join the IRA, and I'll be off tomorrow morn. And we'll be off to Dublin in the green, where the helmets glisten in the sun, where the bayonets flash, the rifles crash, to the echo of a Thompson gun. Oh, I leave aside my pick and spade, I leave aside my plough, and I leave aside my old grey mare, but no more I leave them now. And I leave aside my Mary, she is the girl I do adore, and I wonder if she thinks of me when she hears the cannon roar. And we'll be off to Dublin in the green, where the helmets glisten in the sun, where the bayonets flash, the rifles crash, to the echo of a Thompson gun. And when the war is over and dear old Ireland's free, I will take her to the church to wed, and the rebels' wife she'll be. And we'll be off to Dublin in the green, where the helmets glisten in the sun, where the bayonets flash, the rifles crash, to the echo of a Thompson gun. Together to you say, we'll be off to Dublin in the green, where the helmets glisten in the sun, where the bayonets flash, the rifles crash, to the echo of a Thompson gun.